Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing an aircraft that actually has an autopilot, like a G1000 or Garmin jet, then load your flight plan into the GPS. Once done, set the target altitude, heading, and indicated airspeed on the autopilot panel. These are the basic control inputs it needs. Make sure your altimeter is set to the correct QNH and that NAV radios are tuned or GPS is active, because the autopilot uses those references to follow your route accurately. Now engage the autopilot with the AP button and decide which lateral mode to use. Press HDG to fly a heading, NAV or LNAV to follow the flight plan or VOR, and LOC for localizer capture. Then choose the vertical mode. VNAV will follow FMC climbs and descents, VS lets you set a climb or descent rate, and Alt-Hold keeps a set altitude. As you switch modes, watch the autopilot annunciators and flight director. They tell you what is active and help you anticipate transitions during climbs, approaches, and holds. Finish by arming approach modes if you plan an ILS or RNAV approach. Click Upper or ARM LOC/GS so the autopilot captures final course automatically once intercepted. If you need to intervene, briefly use the yoke or throttle to adjust, then re-engage the autopilot. Trim the aircraft often to prevent large control forces. If the autopilot disconnects or behaves oddly, make sure CPU usage and added mods aren't interfering. Verify control inputs and bindings, and if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.